Staying active after 40 doesn't have to mean hitting the gym every day. It's all about finding simple ways to incorporate movement into your daily routine. Start with short walks. Whether it's during your lunch break or after dinner, just 10 to 15 minutes can boost your mood and energy levels. Consider using your commute to your advantage. If possible, bike or walk to work, or park farther away to squeeze in some extra steps. Make use of technology. Fitness apps and smartwatches can remind you to move. Set simple goals like standing up every hour or taking the stairs instead of the elevator. Join a local group or class that interests you. It could be dancing, hiking, or even yoga. Socializing while staying active makes it more enjoyable. Lastly, don't underestimate the power of stretching. It keeps your body flexible and helps prevent injuries. A few minutes a day can make a significant difference. Remember, staying active is about consistency, not perfection. Embrace these small changes, and you'll feel more vibrant and alive. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more great content.